Hello everyone and welcome back. So what's in the box?
What's in the box?
Well, as you can see, we've got a box here.
What's in the fucking box?
Let's take a look and see what's in it. Oh, look at that. The Sig symbol on there. Sig logo. Seems to be a pretty small box, so wonder what it could be. Now look, a Sig sticker. Oh, it's a Sig P365. So there's your destructions. Sig pimping out their ammo. Their laser, their light. I'm not going to get either of those. Holsters, I'll probably call Gary at Civ Div Designs and have him make me one. And warranty card. Extra magazine. What? No. Oh, there it is. There's my lock. Yeah, don't think we need that. So we got one magazine, two magazines, chamber flag, and a P365. That is tiny. Ten-round magazine in it. This is my everyday carry. This is a P320 compact. That's P365. This is holding 12+1 of 357 Sig. This will hold 10+1 of 9mm, and now it will hold 12+1 of 9mm. Yeah, P365. Excited to get this out on the range. A little, can't do much for I guess our slide stop on this one is just a slide stop for now. Got to adjust your grip to get the magazine released, but big surprise, it's half the size of this one. And in case you are wondering, this is what it looks like next to its competition. This is a Springfield XDS N9. It is 6+1, maybe 7+1. I don't remember. 7+1. So we line them up, slide to slide. It is shorter than the XDS. It is thinner than the XDS. We stand them side by side, and this has the extended pinky on it, but so does this. It is shorter with the extension on here than the XDS would be if it had a flush fit magazine. It is considerably thinner than the XDS. So if we put them muzzle to muzzle, you can see a little better how much shorter it is there. They are muzzle to muzzle. There. Yeah. That's what the XDS looks like. Holding it in one hand. That's what the P365 looks like. It's tiny. So, tune in later. See how we do at the range. Yeah, we're still smaller. Considerably smaller. That does give you a better grip on it. But look at that. Almost at the muzzle. That was Kenzie. That's still Kenzie. If you heard that. But our newest edition, P365. Tune in later. We'll do some range videos with it. Until next time, stay armed, stay vigilant, stay safe.